In the name of Allah, the Gracious, the Merciful. When the sun is rolled up, when the stars are dimmed, when the mountains are set in motion, when the relationships are suspended, when the beasts are gathered, when the oceans are set aflame, when the souls are paired, when the girl, buried alive, is asked, for what crime was she killed, when the records are made public, when the sky is peeled away, when the fire is set ablaze, when paradise is brought near, each soul will know what it has readied. I swear by the galaxies, precisely running their courses, and by the night as it recedes, and by the morn as it breathes. This is the speech of a noble messenger, endowed with power, eminent with the Lord of the throne, obeyed and honest. Your friend is not possessed. He saw him on the luminous horizon, and he does not withhold knowledge of the unseen. And it is not the word of an accursed devil. So where are you heading? It is only a reminder to all mankind, to whoever of you wills to go straight. But you cannot will, unless Allah wills, the Lord of the worlds. In the name of Allah, the Gracious, the Merciful. When the sky breaks apart, when the planets are scattered, when the oceans are exploded, when the tombs are strewn around, each soul will know what it has advanced, and what it has deferred. O man, what deluded you concerning your Lord, the most generous? He who created you, and formed you, and proportioned you? In whatever shape he willed, he assembled you. But you reject the religion. Though over you are watchers, honest recorders. They know everything you do. The virtuous will be in bliss, while the wicked will be in hell. They will enter it on the day of justice, and they will not be absent from it. But what will convey to you what the day of justice is? Then again, what will convey to you what the day of justice is? The day when no soul will avail another soul anything, and the decision on that day is Allah's. In the name of Allah, the Gracious, the Merciful. Woe to the defrauders. Those who, when they take a measure from people, they take in full. But when they measure raw weight to others, they cheat. Do these not know that they will be resurrected? For a great day? The day when mankind will stand before the Lord of the worlds? Not at all. The record of the wicked is in Sijjeen. But how can you know what Sijjeen is? A numerical book. Woe on that day to the deniers, those who deny the day of reckoning. But none denies it except the sinful aggressor. When our revelations are recited to him, he says, legends of the ancients. Not at all. Their hearts have become corroded by what they used to earn. Not at all. On that day, they will be screened from their Lord. Then they will roast in hell. Then it will be said, this is what you used to deny. No indeed, the record of the righteous is in Illiyeen. But how can you know what Illiyeen is? A numerical book, witnessed by those brought near. Indeed, the righteous will be amid bliss, on thrones, looking on. You will recognize on their faces the radiance of bliss. They will be given to drink a sealed wine, whose seal is musk. This is what competitors should compete for. Its mixture is of tasneem, a spring from which those brought near drink. Those who committed crimes used to laugh at those who believed. And when they passed by them, they would wink at one another. And when they went back to their families, they would go back exulting. And if they saw them, they would say, these people are lost. Yet they were not sent as guardians over them. But on that day, those who believed will laugh at the unbelievers. On luxurious furnishings, looking on. Have the unbelievers been repaid for what they used to do?